Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a video about the ultrasonic cleaner that I purchased, and we're going to be testing it out on a couple of things, and I've got an example as well, what you can't clean it with. I mean what kind of things you can't clean, sorry, and we'll go through all the stuff that it comes with. So this is the box that it comes with. And this is what's inside. It comes with instructions. So this is it here, that's the cable. So we're gonna move that out of the way. Gonna plug it in. And the time shows up as 180. That's pretty standard. So this is the instruction manual. And these are the things, like this is for a watch, this is for rings. There's 2 layers of rings that you can add on there. Excuse, my finger was damaged. I was doing something and the skin came off. Comes with a polish cloth, and yeah, it's like rings and small items that you can put on there, so you can kind of have it like this, just like in the image. And it comes with the basket as well. So we're going to set it to 180. We don't need these. These holes are for small things, and this is for a watch, as they recommend that whatever you're cleaning, you shouldn't be touching anything else. Okay, so these are the kind of things that you can't put in. They prefer gold and silver jewellery. They don't like when you put in fake things because the colour might come off. Costume jewellery, anything that's glued in, so you can't use that. So you can use the polish cloth or a jewellery polish cloth cleaner. I'm going to unclip these. So we're putting in this. These are silver. You have to be careful of semi-precious stones, I reckon. So we're going to put these in. See if it all fits. As although these little, if you've got fiddly earrings like I do, and it's very difficult to clean the silver, as you can see, these are handmade. It's really painful, so ultrasonic cleaners are really good for that. So we'll test these out. I was a bit nervous about putting these in before because it's rainbow jasper, so I was a bit concerned. We're also going to be putting the silver balls in, these ones, and those other fiddly ones. Okay, so I'll just put these in. Okay, so we've put them all in, and you might see that in the basket behind there. Just gently pull this out. Oops. There's a maximum line, so we want to fill it up with water just to that line. These are the instructions, and this is what we're following here. So it tells you all the things that you can do, what you can't put in there. So we don't need too much water in there. I'll just put a bit extra. And close the lid. and turn it on. And we'll see what happens. So in here it says that semi-precious stones like coral, turquoise, soft stones, lapis, tigerite, onyx is not always a good idea. So you have to be careful. So we'll see how these goes, because jasper's not too soft, but I need to give it a go. Coral can actually disintegrate, and so we won't be putting our turquoise or coral in, but you can put in glasses, jewellery, waterproof watches, ornamental necklaces, rings, bracelets, yeah, coins if you have them, CDs, tissues, which is crazy, but if it's gold plated, you can have it electrolyte plating as well. There has to be very good plating, so when it comes out, when it finishes, so that's it there. That was from Aldi. It comes with a 3-year warranty. And yeah, when it comes out, I'll let you guys know, and you'll see how it goes. Right, we're back after the cleaning process of the jewellery. So the cleaner ones, as you can see, after just a quick polish, is cleaner, and here is the stuff. So there is a bit of dirt there, as you can see, that has come off. So it probably just needs a bit longer, I'd say, as it looks like that. Sorry, a bit blurry. So it didn't really do too much. It's oxidized, so yeah, that one still looks the same. It's kind of better. That one looks a lot better, so I'll just give it a bit of a polish. And same with that, because they, as you know, that silver oxidizes, and so does copper. Exposure to air, so that's what it looks like. That one is still dirty. You're not sure what's up with that one, but we'll put it through again. Sadly, it's hooked on the bottom, and we'll see if it helps. And I'll do a follow-on from this and attach it. I'll be back with you guys shortly. Alright, so just doing a follow-on from the last clean, and so the process is quite short, which I didn't realise. So we'll take them out, and yeah, it's some of them it doesn't look like it actually works properly, but the main issue is that it's hard to loosen dirt sometimes, so this is always a good idea to do. So loosen the dirt, and then when you just give it a quick polish, it's not too bad. So this is the result of the cleaning. So this is before and that's after. So it's a lot better. So when I give it a quick polish, it'll be a lot better. So this one looks a bit better. It's all the little fine detail that just gets stuck. And it's hard to clean. It looks like this one's stuck. Okay, got it off. Alright, so we'll try and polish this one up and see how it goes. It'd be nice to get that bit of dirt off. Let's give it a bit of a polish. Me trying to loosen it for a while now. Yeah, it looks like underneath is yeah, it looks like it's permanent. Yeah, it looks like it's copper underneath. Well, I guess it gives it that sheen, so yeah, it does work, but you just have to clean your jewellery regularly, not like what I did. And then you'll be able to keep it clean all the time without a problem. So as soon as you see any hint of dirt or anything, a slightly changing colour, immediately put it in the machine and clean it. Alright, well that's the trial for this machine. It is trial and error with the timing because I put it in for 180 seconds. So it is quite short. And there's shorter variable times as well, 90 seconds and things like that. So yeah, we'll see how it goes with the longer one, as it does state that you have to put it in sometimes more than once. Alright, that's it guys from another video from me. I'll clean all this up and I'll see you next time.